Good day guys, my name is Kenneth and I'm here to talk to you about growth hacking. But before I go on to explain growth hacking, I would love to explain some terms such as traditional marketing and digital marketing. This is just for to build the foundation for growth hacking. So traditional marketing has to do with advertising or marketing on platforms such as newspapers, TV stations, radio houses, using handbills or using billboard banners, right? So, but Digital marketing, on the other hand, has to do with advertising and marketing on the internet or using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google AdWords or ads.google.com or any other social media platform you can think of. So, but the difference between these two is that traditional is not measurable. You can't measure the statistics or the impact of a traditional campaign that has been done using traditional marketing platforms such as TV and radio, using radio houses. So a good example is that the campaign that shows on a TV station, can you track how many people are watching it? Can you estimate the figure? No, it gets hard except if there is a measuring system put in place, but a lot of times there is none at all, sorry. So but for digital marketing, you could see right straight off that YouTube shows you how many views a particular video has gotten so far, and Twitter, Facebook, they all do the same. And the good thing again is that Twitter has Twitter analytics, so you could track certain data that has to do with demographics, has to do with a lot of things concerning that particular channel, and you could use that to enhance your campaign. But growth hacking, on the other hand, basically means data-driven marketing. So some people can define it as data-driven full funnel rapid experimentation marketing that has been done to enhance a product of an entrepreneur or someone in business, for example. So growth hacking basically just follows the full customer's journey, while traditional marketing has to do just bringing bringing views to the website or just bringing awareness for that particular campaign. But growth hacking looks at customer acquisition and customer retention. So you have a funnel and it basically outlines what is the steps my customer follows before they acquire a certain product on my website, for instance, or on my account on social media. Are the steps too long? Do they spend little time on your website, or are they spending a large amount of time there and they are confused, right? Are they getting to the payment page and suddenly not paying? What is really happening, right? So growth hacking has to do a lot of testing. And a good case study will be, if I could use the one of Tinder, where the VP of marketing basically went down to campuses and made sure the girls signed up on the platform. They went over to meet the boys and showed them, oh look, we have so and so girls signed up on this platform. If you could access or install this app on your devices, you could have access to these people. And that was basically it. And from there, they grew. So these are simple examples of this is a simple example of growth hacking. So some good tools to assist you on your growth hacking journey could be moats.com. We have Google Analytics, and we also have Google Customer Insights. So this is just a summary or a basic explanation of growth hacking. Thank you very much for listening.